today we are going to be making this holiday sweater. It's perfect for any holiday party. All the top frames that I'm using today are from the New Year's Eve collection or the holiday collection. To get started, all you're gonna need is a green crew neck, gold tinsel, mini ornaments, a glue of choice. I decided to use hot glue, magnets, and of course, your favorite top frames. Start by laying out your crew neck and determining how long you need to cut your tinsel. Secure down with glue. I switched from hot glue to super glue just because I like that it dried a little bit faster. Now, you want to secure down your ornaments along the tinsel so you get that Christmas tree effect. I got these tiny bulbs online, but feel free to use any shapes, colors, sizes, anything that you feel fits best for your sweater. Add those magnets in between the bulbs, but be careful not to get too close or your top frames will magnetize together. Lastly, it's time to decorate. These are some of my favorite holiday and New Year's Eve top frames, so I'm so excited to wear them out. What makes this DIY so great is that because we're using magnets, you can change your top frames out on your sweater whenever you want. I'm sure you're wondering what the sweater looks like on. Let's jump to the next clip and I'll show you what it looks like. And from us at Pear to you at home, happy holidays.